Hey Secondary 2 Math Prodigies, this is Coach Saiful with your daily dose of math mastery. Now today I sound a bit more excited because today is the last question of the week. And then I'm gonna test you tomorrow. Evil laugh. Okay, so yesterday's question was actually pretty easy. That is another type of question that you're gonna get in ratio and proportion. Okay, it says on the map a rectangle whose length is 4 cm and breadth 2.5 cm represents an actual area of 1.6 kilometers squared. Find the scale of the map in the form of 1:n. Now, when they say 1:n, it basically means 1 cm equals to how many cm in the real scale. Okay, so all you have to do is actually. Oh wait, before that, I will give you the answer. The answer is 1:4 0 0 0 0. If you got it right, give yourself a high five. You are a math prodigy. Good job. Now, how do we do this question? It's actually pretty easy. Now, first off, we need to visualize a rectangle whose length is 4 cm and 4 cm and the breadth is 2.5 cm. Okay, so what is the area here? The area is very simply, so just write area equals to 4. What's happening on my marker, man? 4 times 2.5. What's that? Equals to 10 cm squared. Now, 10 cm squared in the map is actually equivalent to 1.6 kilometer squared. So how do you find 1 cm squared on the map represents what? So all you have to do is just take 1.6 kilometer squared, yeah? So the working should be 1 cm squared on the map represents, okay? And just type 1.6 kilometer squared divided by 10. Okay, divided by 10, and hence you get yourself 0.16 kilometer squared. You got that part right? 1.6 kilometer squared divided by 10 cm squared. That means 1 cm squared equals to 0.16 kilometer squared. But that's not what you want to find out. What you want to find out is what is it in terms of 1:n, in other words, in terms of cm. So all you have to do is convert this. Okay, all you have to do is convert this. So first off, you must find out 0.16 kilometers squared is actually something kilometers squared. So what you must do is you must square root it, correct? And hence you will get 0.4 kilometers. So in other words, 1 cm equals to 0.4 kilometers, which equals to how many cm? Wait, first of all, do slowly. 1 kilometer is 1,000 meters. So you times 1,000, you get 4,000 meters. And then you have to get cm, just times another 10, and hence you get 40,000 cm. And so the answer is 1:40,000. If you got it right again, I'm going to give you a high five right now. Raise your hands. You are a math prodigy. Good job. Very simple question, right? It's just a little bit of manipulation here and there, and if you manipulate correctly, you do it step by step. If you breathe and you do it slowly, trust me, you're gonna get it right. Okay? So let's delete everything here, and let's look at today's question for the day. Last question here. In a secondary school, the number of teachers, boys and girls, are in the ratio 2:25:28, respectively. If the difference between the number of boys and the number of girls is 90, find A, the total number of teachers and students in the school, and B, the number of teachers in the school. Very easy. You should be getting this right in like 3 minutes, okay? So remember, the quote of the day is, the quote of the week actually, is victory loves preparation. The more you prepare yourself with all these kind of questions, the more they can't surprise you in the exams, and the easier it is for you to get the answers, and it's easier for you to get an A. You get an A once, right? The more you prepare, the easier victory is. The more you learn, the easier it gets. With that, this is Coach Saiful signing off. You are a math prodigy. Good job.